Hi guys, in this HTML tutorial I will show you how to change the color of the different text. It is very similar to change the color of the web page. You open H1, here we don't close. You put the style, background color, the name of the color. Semicolon, close. Then if we keep writing the header and we close. Tiny mistake here, always column the same as this, and the background color is different. Here we also change for paragraph, for example. Here you need to open, don't close, open and close at the end.